what about these power naps? There's some people, I'm going to take a 30-minute, 45-minute power nap during the day, and they come back refreshed, and their efficiency improves, and they're able to finish the tasks pretty good after taking it. So what's happening in that power nap? Does that compensate for some of the interrupted sleep, or is it just a placebo thing?
I think there is some reality to it, and there is some scientific basis to it. The real important question is, after I answer your question, yes, power naps do work. The real important question is the timing of those power naps and duration of those power naps. If your power nap is 60 minutes, it's not a power nap. So if it's power nap, because the problem with that is you are running into those kind of sleep stages, and then waking up from them may carry on to sleep inertia, we call, where you wake up but you're still not fresh enough because you get yourself into that sleep inertia where it can be counterproductive. So studies have shown in roughly 20 to 30 minutes, some studies have shown 10 to 20 minutes on average of power nap. If it's taken the right time, is not taking it after 3 p.m. or 4 p.m., because that's going to disturb your sleep schedule. So taking it early afternoon and keeping the duration about 10-20 minutes would that has shown actually to improve your vigilance, your capability to carry on your task, your ability to remember things, and your vigilance basically. So it does seem to help, and it does seem to refresh certain people. You're decreasing their daytime sleepiness.